stretch your health care dollars. When you need to see your doctor, you're covered for each visit. And getting your prescriptions is easy. You can skip the lines and use convenient mail-order pharmacies like Humana Pharmacy and possibly save even more. I would tell all my friends to join Humana because you will be the plan that will help you really improve your health, take better care of yourself, and give you all the tools that are necessary and all the motivation necessary and all the information necessary to be very proactive in taking good care of your health.
I just feel comfortable with Humana. They treat us right.
And if you happen to be traveling or just staying with friends or relatives, you don't have to worry. You're covered for any emergency care you might need, anywhere in the United States or around the world. Humana has taken the hassle and the high cost out of Medicare coverage. But there's so much more to discover about this valuable plan. For a free copy of this helpful guide and informative DVD, just call the number on your screen at any time during this program. With a Humana Medicare Advantage all-in-one plan, you get the three things you care most about: an affordable monthly plan premium, coverage for doctor office visits and hospital stays, and prescription drug coverage. In just a few minutes, we're going to compare apples to apples, looking at original Medicare, Medicare supplements, and Humana Medicare Advantage plans. But first, there's something else you'll want to know about. Humana is a company that works for you. It can help provide the support you need to make a smart decision.